Duffel bag, backseat.
This tip is for helping children with sensitive noses. In particular, the focus of this tip is on restaurants. Now, one way to help a child feel more desensitized in a restaurant is to actually practice. So, what you can do is you can take your child to a restaurant and only order a drink. So it's a short trip, it's a quick trip, it's a trip where they're getting a chance to be in that multisensory environment with a lot of scent aversion and have a better sense of control because the expectation for remaining in the environment is short. So you go in, just get some drinks. That could be something that's very helpful. When you do this, you could consider one of the pair-up strategies. So please click through the playlist to look at the strategies that pair preferred smells with your child, either through a scented chapstick or some type of a safe, non-toxic oil or lotion that they may put under their nose. So what you want to do is practice. Practice the multisensory environments in short chunks. Pair up your relaxation strategies when you can and help them to gain a sense of control, to gain a sense of management, and to be more desensitized in these environments that are very challenging. So if you haven't done a practice run, I would suggest giving this a try. This is especially helpful for older kids who really want to go out to restaurants because they may see their peers doing this. So it can be a great strategy for helping slowly take those baby steps in terms of managing the multisensory environment.
In my mind, you're a drive real slow down.